Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel once again. Today this is CN on the screen. You are watching CN Great Cancels and Forex Trade, and in today's video here we go once again with one of my favorite trading style on boom and crash, especially boom indices, right? They are wonderful, they are powerful. All you need to do is to play by the rules of the game, right? And you are good to go. If you've not watched my videos on this particular pattern where I talked about how to trade double top pattern, okay, I think I've made about 2 or 3 videos on that, and I keep revealing more secrets on it. And I told you guys not to joke with this pattern because it comes every now and then, right? It comes every now and then, it develops every now and then. It might be okay, days, it might be hours, depending on the time frame, right? But I want to quickly point out something in this video. It's going to be a very short video, right? It is time frame specific. You have to trade it based on the time frame that you have identified it, right? Once you follow that rule, of course, watch the previous videos I made on that topic, right? I gave 3 secrets, all right, on how to trade this double top pattern successfully. And one of the striking secrets I revealed in those videos is that you should consider the trend of the market in previous times, right? And also I talked about the time frame that you have identified the pattern, right? So I may not really dwell so much on that in this video. You need to go to the description box, you see the link to that video, or you go to my playlist and then go to classic pattern. Okay, you are going to see the video, watch it. I say it once again, do not joke with double top and of course M pattern. Now they are slightly different, okay? I don't know if you want to know the difference between M pattern and double top pattern. They are slightly different, okay? But then it's almost the same approach that I use in trading them. But if you want to know the difference between M pattern and a double top, of course I will do video to that effect in subsequent video, right? But we are talking about double top now because that is what I'm seeing here, right? Okay, I identified this move since last night, right? If you look very well, this is 15th of today is 15th of February. Let me just go to last time frame so that you see the date, right? Yeah, recording this 15th of February, right? But then I took this signal from 1 hour time frame, right? And remember I said is time frame specific. You trade it based on the time frame you have identified it, and of course you still switch between time frames to also corroborate your decision of taking the trade, right? Take note that trading has to do with a lot of risk. Nobody is giving you 100% assurance, but then we trade what the market gives us, and we take antecedents of the behavior of the market in time past and then take our decisions, and that's how we roll on this adventure, right? So now I looked at the market has been on, of course, let's go to higher time frame first. That's 4 hours time frame. Yes, boom, 1000 has been on a bullish trend. Okay, now when it got to this point, of course I already mapped out whatever that is happening here, and I studied the behavior of the market, each of the move of the market. When it breaks a major support zone or major resistance zone, when it retests, when it does whatever it does, I am always aware, especially boom 1000, because I have mapped out the likely moves of the market, and I've been following for over a year plus now, right? And it's been working perfectly well, following my predictions. It might not be 100%, but then to a very large extent, right? So it's been making bullish move after it actually hit. Let's go to 1 hour time frame, right? Now I made this, okay, on a larger note I made this, on a smaller note I made this, and when it broke this going bullish, I knew. When it broke this point going bullish, I knew. So when it got to this point, now I'm just looking at it as going to be making a kind of even though it may still continue in a bullish way, okay, but then there's going to be a trend line that's going to be just like this until it might make another bullish move now, okay, after this point, okay, but then it may still descend because it has to be creating a higher highs and then of course higher low until it comes up to retest. There's a bigger trend line that I drew from okay, weekly and monthly time frame, right? So but that's not what I want to show you now. The point is that you always take advantage of the market whenever you know what it is doing, right? So getting back to 4 hours time frame, I discovered that there is a break of structure. This market has been on a bullish move, right? From here when it broke this, okay, to this point, and then it started descending. Okay, it struggled here, before it started descending. This was okay, while it was going up, this place was a resistance zone, but then it came straight away breaking this resistance, coming down. Okay, as it's coming down, it got to this point. This place was supposed to serve as a support, but then it didn't waste time. It broke the support, broke it, and then broke it to this point. This was actually a kind of a break of structure, but then it suddenly went up again, right? It suddenly went up again to now the whole of this place is the zone of support and resistance, verified support and resistance area, because of course it's retesting on it. Okay, now it was then that I noticed when I opened the chart that with this momentum downwards, okay, with the momentum downward from here to this point, and then it went up, okay, coming down, giving us the first top. Then I expected it to go up to give us the second top. This is 4 hours time frame, right? But it is obvious and more obvious on 1 hour time frame. That's why I say this time frame specific. The whole thing I just demonstrated on 4 hours time frame, here is it here now. Look at that sharp bearish movement, and then it got to this point, bounced off, forming the first top, coming down again. With your eye for identification, when it's going up, you would have known that this market is going to make a reaction here. So that's why I was able to take the sniper entry at this point, and then of course look at the double top here, right? So this is actually my second method of trading this pattern. Right now, I did say in that video where I talked about the secret that this second method, which is not the ideal method that you know, is a method that allows you to take sniper entry, right? And then you may not necessarily wait till the market gets to the neckline. This is the neckline that under ideal situation you are told to enter, but then just take a look at it. This is several hours into the market, right? So it's just one of the best trading, classic pattern you can ever trade, especially on boom and crash. So guys, what I want you to do is to always look out for it, right? Once it meets the conditions, once it meets the secrets, right, please do well to take the trade. Okay, risk it, and of course in whichever case your stop loss is going to be above this place, right? Above this place. Now you risk wisely, and then you are good to go. If you don't want to stay that long, or stay and then wait for the break of the neckline before the market gets to the neckline, okay, the neckline region is around this place, you would have taken your profit, okay, and then this is it, you are good to go. So many thanks for watching this video, guys, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm just making this video to keep you guys updated while I am working on what I'm doing. Once I'm done, I made that promise, and a lot of you still contact me to ask me why I'm not steady in uploading content again, and I've explained and also made a video to that effect. I barely have time for my for myself. I barely have time for myself. Like, what I do is so engaging that honestly you won't believe it, but then it's for good, right? So as soon as I'm done, I made a promise that I'm going to be trading with you guys. I'm going to be uploading content. I'm going to be updating you guys, giving you tons and tons of content that will transform your trading life, that will change your life, that will catapult you to financial abundance and independence. Okay, I promise you guys that. So all you need to do is to have patience with me and do subscribe to my channel. Feel free to also ask your questions in the comment section below. You can contact me, but please, I have a lot on my head right now. So if you have questions regarding trading, regarding some strategies, regarding, in fact, forex trading, just ask me in the comment section, or if you check the description box of every of my video, you're going to be seeing my contact, email, and telegram contact, right? So that's how it's going to be, and then I will attend to you. I read virtually all my comments, right, and I respond to the ones that I deem it fit to respond, right? So please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button if you have found value in this video, and also go to the description box to check out for the videos I just mentioned. Watch them. Go to secrets, hacks, that playlist. Look for videos there that will help you in developing your trading career, and then I'll be talking to you in my next video. Take note of all the secrets, take note of all the hacks, and then get prepared to make your money. The year is still new and your pocket needs to be filled with those. Okay, and as you do that, I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.